Mushroom Network's truffle appliances can combine up to 16 internet connections, having different speeds of different types from different service providers to provide a bonded bandwidth of as much as 10 Gbps. The truffle appliances from Mushroom Networks have up to 16 GE WAN ports and GE or 10 GE LAN ports based on the choice of appliance model. 2 additional USB ports for 3G, 4G LTE dongles to be used as standby. All GCC broadband service providers are supported, such as Ooredoo, Vodafone, Orange, STC, Du, Etisalat, Zain, and Mobile. WAN links of different types can be bonded together, such as MPLS, WiMAX, leased lines, ADSL, fiber, 3G, 4G, and LTE. The appliances can be configured in high availability with active standby configuration using VRRP technology. Traffic prioritization and advanced quality of service are available features of the appliance. For monitoring, syslog and netflow is available along with a stateful firewall to restrict all incoming traffic initiated from outside. Assignment of DINE DNS per interface is also supported. Unlike the typical load balancers, the truffle appliance performs an intelligent session-based load balancing, which means for each session generated by a user to browse the web, the most readily available WAN link would participate, because of which each user can utilize all available WAN links for different sessions initiated. For any HTTP downstream traffic initiated, the appliance will use all available WAN links to perform the download, providing the user with the aggregated bandwidth of all available WAN links for the download. By combining multiple connections from different service providers simultaneously, the appliance is capable of providing as much as 10 Gbps of bonded bandwidth as a single connection. Auto failover and recovery is done seamlessly because of the probing technology incorporated in the appliance's functioning. The appliance constantly keeps a health check on the connected WAN links. Thus, the connectivity is available to the end user till the last available link is up and running. Only difference the users would find in case of multiple link failures is a comparatively lower speed rather than total loss of connectivity. Mushroom appliances can be configured in peer mode, creating VPN connectivity between sites with a hub and spoke topology simultaneously, utilizing all available WAN links to connect with the corresponding site for bonding data from all applications for any protocols.